How was your weekend? Yeah, are you happy to be home?
Did you get the rights for education?
I am working on it. Look at my new printer. I haven't printed them yet.
When did you get that? It's due tomorrow!
So, really?
Yeah.
Here, shut that door for a second, please.
It's due tomorrow and you have...
And guess what? I have started, and I am trying to figure out how to print the margins, and I'm having trouble. But I will have it done, so you can take it tomorrow, okay?
How do you know?
Because I will. So, honey, can you come out here?
Oh, God.
Say hi to your new dog. His name's Miles. It's yours.
What do you think? What do you think?
Hi, Miles.
Yeah, he was really smelly yesterday.
Where did you get him?
At the pound. Do you like him?
He likes you.
Hey, Miles, can
Here,
we
Miles.
take him outside?
Yeah, we can take him outside in a little bit, sure.
Come here, Miles.
Why don't you come over here and you can lay down with him? Where? Hey, Luke, where are your glasses?
You put him down.
Oh, okay, good. That was good. Come on over here.
Hey, guys, come over here.
Come over here with him. He'll follow you.
Miles, come here.
Why can't we name him?
He's already got a name.
That's a good name.
You like his name?
Yeah. Just like
Good.
Chili.
It's just like chili.
Yeah, he has red face.
Oh, do you like his red collar?
Yeah. Oh, he's cute.
He likes you guys.
How does he smell? Does he smell okay?
Yeah, I think we gave him a bath.
He did. He got a good bath.
Get him, Miles. Get him, Miles.
I found my Lego piece.
Oh, good. Thank you.
Miles. Miles.
Get him. Get him, Miles.
Miles. Miles.
Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him. Boy.
Well,
They're around.
they're around. They actually don't mind him so much, surprisingly.
Miles.
Say hi, buddy.
Miles. Can we take a picture of him for so I can show Mrs. Yates?
Yes, we can take a picture.
Get him, Miles. Get him. Lick him. Lick him, boy.
So, did you always want a dog?
Yeah. What is he?
He is kind of a chocolate lab and something else.
Oh, chocolate lab.
It's a chocolate lab mix.
Does he listen to you guys?
He'll need some training, but he's okay. He's a good.
Wait, did you want a dog? Or should... Really, are you sure?
Is it okay? You want to keep him?
Oh, guess what me and Dad were talking about?
Yeah.
Garden snakes.
Oh.
I was wanting a garden snake.
Oh, yeah?
You wanna
So
see
they
it?
can eat your bugs that come in.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Should I get a picture of you guys with the dog?
He's gonna lick you.
Hey, look at me real quick. Let me just get some video of you with him. Alright, smile, and then I'm going to take a picture. Okay, just a second.